First here at 5 o'clock, a setback for Kern County vaccines. Last week, the state announced the next group of people who can now get vaccinated. This includes education and child care workers, emergency service workers, and food and agricultural workers.
David Kaplan explains why the Kern County Public Health Department says it won't be vaccinating those people just yet. David?
Dave Rochelle, Kern County Public Health says 8 out of 10 COVID-19 related deaths reported in the U.S. are adults 65 and older, and we're seeing similar numbers here in Kern County. This is why County Health says we as a county aren't ready yet to move to vaccinating to the next group of people deemed eligible by the state. On February 4th, the state released another vaccine allocation guideline allowing more to be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine.
Healthcare workers, Phase 1B Tier 1, which is persons 65 and of age and older, and sector populations including education, childcare, emergency services, and food and agriculture workers.
Bryn Kerrigan, incoming director for the Kern County Department of Public Health, says the guidance is these priority groups will be eligible for the vaccine based on supply. As of right now, though, Kern County is still trying to get all their seniors vaccinated first.
While some other counties may have moved on to include other priority populations in their eligibility groups, Kern County has only received enough vaccine to cover a small portion of the existing priority populations.
She says the county is anxious to vaccine workers working in education, childcare, emergency services, and food and agriculture. However, with the supply the state is giving them, there's just not enough yet to go around. Mike Maggard, Kern County Supervisor for the 3rd District, says less than 25% of seniors in Kern have been vaccinated so far, and they represent over 80% of the COVID-related deaths that are occurring.
To vaccinate those that are outside of the 65 and older category is to doom someone in that category to death. And that's just completely unacceptable to me.
He says the county will have to stay the course with vaccinating the senior citizen population until they get more vaccines from the state. Kerrigan says County Health is currently advocating for more vaccines from the state of California. At 6, I'll tell you how close Kern County is to qualifying to moving back into the red tier. In studio, David Kaplan, Eyewitness News.
Is there a story you think we should investigate? Call our Eyewitness News tip line at 869-2929.